Why, hello friends. I'm very excited to share with you this beautiful bar cart. Who does not need a bar cart in their lives? I know that I have always wanted one, and I have to tell you that this one is absolutely amazing for so many reasons. Number one, it was extremely easy to put together. It came in just a couple pieces. I love that it has the wheels and I'm able to actually wheel it around, so you're easily able to move it from room to room. It also has these two handy little handles on both sides if you want to hang a towel on there or do something decorative. And then it also has not just one, but as you can see, 1, 2, 3 different areas for storing things. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind piece. Make sure that you snag it today. I'm sure it's gonna go fast.
If you like this video, remember to hit that like button so more people like you will see these videos. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos.